Welcome this video titled Embracing Josie Living the Allure of Tiny Guest House Cabin, introducing in the realm of architecture and design. This concept of living smart have growing into movement celebrated for its simplicity, centrality, and innovation use of space. One embodiment of this movement is the tiny house cabin, a charm retreat that often a blend of functionally and impact depot. Their size, those cabin pick a powerful poke, provide an inward century of guest and homeowner echo explode into the allure of those tiny urban open hearts when those continents and capital that emerge of so much. It's the heart of the tiny guest house cabin appear. This its ability to found a scene and cloned and contact, unlike surfing, vegetarian, or employing host room doors. Compact cabin impact among guests while with those choosy interior and impact layout those create an atmosphere those promoting growing and shared impact those its family retreat and promoting get away a scene and friend those color to own tiny guest house cabin the enhance its scene of embracing for forget lost memory more out tiny house have cabin often a unique opportunity that's reconnecting with nature without century compact and need nation is seen locations and far would forget a scene look side of cabin provide a front layout of the beauty to the great outdoor floor cabin window frame photo view will without depth and often the board editable point for enjoy the sign of and sound of nature. Whether it's a cup of coffee as the sun rising over The moment brink of contempt of star those cabin invite guests a slow down and the simple pathway of life